Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. I know that you are being curious that why we use stairs and skip elevator. But don't worry, in this video we are going to share mind-blowing benefits that you will get when you skip elevator and use stairs. I know, it seems odd, but after watching this video you are going to skip elevator. Let's get into the video. No special equipment needed. Taking the stairs and skipping the elevator, your body and heart will thank you. Stair climbing requires about 8 to 11 kilocalories of energy per minute, which is high compared to other moderate-level physical activities. It helps burn body fat, thereby controlling body weight. Active stair climbers are more fit and have a higher aerobic capacity. There is a strong association between stair climbing and bone density. It leads to healthy bones and lowers the risk of osteoporosis. Wait. If you are enjoying this video, take a moment and hit the red subscribe button. Let's go back to the video. Climbing stairs can improve the amount of good cholesterol in the blood. Stair climbing increases leg power and may be an important priority in reducing the risk of injury from falls in the elderly. Stair climbing can help you achieve and maintain a healthy body weight. Stair climbing can help you build and maintain healthy bones, muscles, and joints. It strengthens muscles. It enhances heart and lung function and improves blood circulation. It reduces the risk of developing coronary heart disease, hypertension, diabetes, or colon cancer. Nowadays, many people do not participate into regular physical activities because they find they are busy. However, for sake of your own health, you should try your best to be more physically active. Stair climbing is one of the ways of incorporating physical activity into daily life. It is a convenient and easily accessible exercise for the majority of people. Stair climbing is a low-cost and readily accessible form of exercise that provides a lot of health benefits. I hope that you will like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.